Hey, this is Fred from ASA Electronics, and we're here today to talk about the Voyager ToughCam digital wireless receiver system. And we call it ToughCam because it's built tough. We've been building products for the ag and construction industry for many, many years, and we understand what it takes to survive that environment. So we want to talk a little bit about the difference between digital and analog. Analog systems are what have been typically sold in the market up till now, and analog, the big characteristic with that is that it has to be line of sight from the camera to the receiver. But with digital, it locks the signal in from the camera to the monitor, and you will not have any interference come in from outside, from say high tension lines. And also, it does not need to be line of sight. You can, if you've got a camera in the back of an implement, for instance, and you're backing, you're going to be able to see that. You're not going to lose that signal like you will with an analog system. This is what we call our Y-Sight technology, and it's just tremendous. Does a great job for being able to see in any kind of situation. Also, if you have, say, for instance, another system pull up near you, another tractor, whether it be digital or analog, you're not going to have bleed over from maybe seeing his camera on your system or him seeing your camera on his system. Okay, so let's see what's in the box. Included in the box is the receiver itself. This is what receives the signal from the camera. And of course, the digital wireless camera is included, along with the mounting bracket and the hardware for that, the pigtail for attaching the camera and powering it up, and then, of course, the Velcro and the screws for mounting the box itself. Now, let's talk a little bit about what comes in the system. First thing you see is the receiver itself. Now, this is what would typically be built into the monitor, but in this case, we've taken it out of the monitor for more flexibility. This allows you to attach this to pretty much any factory monitor that's out there and to now attach your wireless system. So what you do is you would use this cable. You attach this anywhere, either to the back of the monitor itself if there's a flat area. This comes with Velcro and also 4 screws to use the standard amp pattern on the back. You mount this somewhere within the area of the monitor, if not on the back of the monitor, and then you use one of our adapter cables depending on what monitor you're using. This happens to be an ag leader adapter. This just plugs in here, and then you plug this end into the back of the ag leader monitor, and you're ready to go. It powers up the receiver box, and now your monitor is ready to receive the signal from the digital wireless camera. Now, the digital wireless camera, as you can see, it's wireless, but it has a cable on it. What's that about? Well, it is wireless, but you still have to get 12-volt power and ground to it. So this comes with a pigtail. You wire this pigtail up to a running light or anywhere, you can get 12-volt near where you're going to mount the camera. And this plugs in right here to the camera, and you're ready to go. You mount the camera using the standard mount, if you like, and you're all set. You're ready to watch wireless video through your factory system. One of the options you might want to consider, though, is the magnet mount, which gives you a lot of flexibility here. Again, talking about flexibility, you can just screw this into the bottom of the camera, and now you can move this camera from implement to implement very easily. Another nice thing that comes with the magnet mount is another pigtail. So now you can attach this pigtail to another implement and just plug this in. When you're done with it, you unplug it, you pull the camera off with the magnet, you put it onto your other implement. You can buy more of these so you can really have all your implements set up for the camera and you're ready to go. Now, what's nice about this is we've mentioned that you can use this on a variety of different factory systems. We've got a couple of other adapters here. Here's one for Trimble, for instance, and here's one for a Raven Viper 4. This is one of the newest adapter cables that we created, and you'll notice it actually has 4 camera inputs. So you can plug 1, 2, 3, or 4 of these into it, or you can run any combination of wireless and, of course, wired into this as well. So that gives you a lot of flexibility. Okay, so for more information about the Voyager ToughCam digital wireless receiver or any of the products that we've shown here today, be sure and check it out at your local ag equipment dealer. Thanks a lot. I'm Fred from ASA, and thanks for listening.